5 minus 2 equal to 3 times, that's the times here. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 3 times 3 equal to 9. This answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation called PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, something like 2 square, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. You evaluate from left to right. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. You evaluate from left to right. Looking at this equation, we begin with this parenthesis. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. In between these 2 and this parenthesis is a multiplication. So we have multiplication here times this 2, and then we bring down this subtraction and we bring down the 5. Now, according to order of operation, multiplication and division has the same higher priority than subtraction. So we will do the multiplication before this subtraction. So 2 times 3 will give us 6. So we have the minus here and we have this 5 here. Now 5 minus 6 will give us minus 1. The correct answer to this equation is minus 1. I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.